Hello, it's Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. In today's video, we're tackling a topic that's absolutely vital for maintenance and operations teams: schedule compliance. We're going to delve into what schedule compliance is all about, why it's crucial, how it can boost your productivity, and most importantly, how to improve it. So, if you're keen on reaching world-class standards with a compliance rate of over 90%, stick around. Organizations committed to measuring their scheduled maintenance process effectiveness often use schedule compliance as a performance metric. Maintenance activities are usually scheduled over a week, and schedule compliance is measured over the same period. However, the time periods can vary from one organization to another. It's crucial for managers to establish a formal process that encourages regular review of results and open discussions for improvement. Manufacturing organizations, in particular, can benefit significantly from tracking schedule compliance when it's properly implemented. Remember, every piece of equipment is a profit center, and any extended downtime could hurt the company's finances. So how can we improve schedule compliance? Here are 4 strategies. First, start by analyzing results and trends and identifying the root cause of low compliance. Second, involve personnel and results analysis. Those involved in work scheduling should be part of the review process. Healthy discussions, even with conflicts, are essential. Third, understand your organization. Identifying root causes of low compliance requires a deep understanding of your organization's processes, capabilities, and culture. And fourth, ask some critical questions. Is your scheduling process documented? Are your personnel trained? How do you measure and manage productivity? Does your entire organization understand and support the need for preventive maintenance? Is your organization willing to admit skills gaps? Does your maintenance team know how to identify true priorities and emergencies? Once you've identified the root causes for low schedule compliance, you can start addressing them. Now that we've got the strategies, let's look at 4 tips for implementing schedule compliance. First, define the purpose. Schedule compliance is a critical metric used to improve reliability and productivity. Make sure to clarify what reliability and productivity mean and how all personnel benefit from improving them. Second, gain alignment. Get buy-in from leadership at all levels. Educate and empower supervisors and managers on how to respond to any concerns or objections from employees. Third, encourage transparency. The true test to your culture will come once you have data to analyze and start asking the why questions. And fourth, get feedback along the way. Your plan for measuring schedule compliance should include a way of collecting input from all employees. Remember, implementing schedule compliance properly could make the difference between acceptance or backlash. So, follow these strategies and tips to ensure your maintenance and operations teams are on the right track. And that brings us to the end of our video. We've covered the importance of schedule compliance, how to improve it, and tips for implementation. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. To learn more about our tools and resources for successful maintenance and reliability teams, visit our website at upkeep.com. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.